हेलो गाइस, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे एफएमटी पीवाईक्यू एम्स 2019 मई एंड नवंबर बोथ। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, आइडेंटिफाई द फॉलोइंग पोस्टमार्टम चेंज। ए टैटूइंग, बी सजिलेशन, सी पुट्रिफैक्शन, डी डीकम्पोजिशन। इसका आंसर है बी। इसका करेक्ट आंसर है बी, सजिलेशन। का एक्सप्लेनेशन है ये, द इमेज शोज सजिलेशन पोस्टमार्टम लिविडिटी, सजिलेशन पोस्टमार्टम हाइपोस्टेसिस, पोस्टमार्टम स्टेनिंग or liver motis or vibices develops in the dependent portion of the body due to engorged vessels showing through the skin. Second question, paradoxical undressing is seen in A. Heat stress, B. Voyeurism, C. Hypothermia, D. LSD overdose. इसका आंसर है hypothermia. The phenomenon of paradoxical undressing is seen in hypothermia victims. Its occurrence is attributed to a paradoxical feeling of heat and may lead to an erroneous assumption of a sexual offense. Fatal hypothermia, induced stupor, loss of powers of judgment, disorientation, and increasing incapacitation are associated with this phenomenon. Question number third. Identify the plant which produces a deliriant toxin. A. Erythroxylum cocoa, B. Datura, C. Hyoscine, D. Digitalis purpura और cannabis. इसका आंसर है Erythroxylum cocoa. The given plant is Erythroxylum cocoa. Cocaine is the principal alkaloid found in the cultivated varieties of cocoa. Question number 4. An 11-year-old girl was found to be quiet and shy in her classroom with intermittent crying. For the past few days, it was discovered that her uncle was touching her genitalia inappropriately. The duty of the principal is to report this to A. Magistrate, B. Police, C. Child Welfare Committee, D. Parents. Answer है B. Police. The principal has to report this case to the police. The POCSO Act 2012 is a comprehensive law for the protection of children from the offences of sexual assault, sexual harassment, and pornography. This is done while safeguarding the interest of the child at every stage of the judicial process by incorporating child-friendly mechanisms for reporting, recording of the evidence, investigation, and speedy trial of the offence through designated special court. Section 21(1) of the POCSO Act 2012 requires mandatory reporting of the cases of child sexual abuse to the law enforcement authorities and applies to everyone, including parents, doctors, and school personnel. Failure to report a suspicion of child abuse is an offensive under the Act. Next question. Which of the following postmortem changes is shown in the given image? A. Marbling, B. Alger mortis, C. Rigor mortis, D. Postmortem lividity. इसका आंसर है A. Marbling. The postmortem change shown above is marbling. The blood is in the vessels is hemolyzed, which stains the vessel walls and the adjacent tissue, giving rise to a marbled appearance. The marbling of the skin becomes prominent about 36 to 48 hours after death in summer and is distinctly appreciable in the superficial veins of the abdomen, shoulders, chest, and inguinal region. Next question. What is bullet wipe? A. Residual from barrel of gun. B. Blackening. C. Gutter fracture of skull. D. Tattooing. इसका आंसर है A. Residual from barrel of gun. Bullet wipe is due to the grease, soot or debris from the barrel of the gun. While examining the clothing of a victim of bullet injury, there is a deposition of various residues surrounding the entrance defect at various ranges known as bullet wipe. It helps in determining the wounds of inlet and outlet upon the body. Next question. Question number 7. A 28-year-old man presented with dry mouth, urinary retention, and constipation after consuming an unknown substance. On examination, his PR is 110 bpm and his pupils were dilated. What did he most likely consume? A. Heroin, B. Morphine, C. Malathion, D. Belladonna. इसका आंसर है D. Belladonna. The given clinical scenario with dilatation of the pupil indicates atropa belladonna consumption. Atropa belladonna acts by inhibiting the muscarinic effects of acetylcholine. All the parts of the plants are toxic. The active principle is 1-hyoscyamin. Heroin, morphine, and malathion causes constriction of the pupil. Thank you so much.